guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some egg and mayonnaise sandwiches and some lemongrass tea, so don't you forget to subscribe. First we need a pot with some water, some eggs and some salt, and you want to bring it to a boil. Once it's all boiled and done, remove the hot water and just pour some tap water into your pot. Let it sit for 5 minutes before cooling, then peel your eggs. Slice them into halves and remove the yolks. Once you remove the yolks, we're going to finely chop the egg whites and set it aside. Now we're going to attend to our egg yolks, and we're going to add Dijon mustard and some mayonnaise. I like mine a little spicy, alright? So I'm going to crush it up, and then I'm going to add some of my homemade pepper sauce. You can also add cayenne pepper or pepper flakes. I also have some red bell pepper, some chopped white onions, and you can use any type of onions at this time, along with some celery. Mix it up well, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the finely chopped egg whites and I'm going to mix it well. Once I'm done, I'm going to set it aside. And for this sandwich, I'm using white bread. You can use whole wheat bread if you want. Now you can also remove the ends like I am doing here right now, or you can leave them on. It's your choice. So once I'm done removing the ends, I'm going to open the slices, and I'm going to go right ahead and take some mayonnaise, and I'm going to plaster it over the slices. Now you want to make sure that you catch the ends because we're looking for that nice rich taste in our breakfast, right? Plaster it right there, just like this. Then I'm going to take my egg mixture and place it on top of my bread, and make sure that you catch the ends of it, all right? You want to make sure that when you go to bite, we're eating some good mayonnaise and eggs up in here. So we're going to top it up with some Parmesan cheese, and this is optional. Just feel free to use any brand of your choice. Then take the other slice of bread and just place it right over the top and cut your bread just like this. It's that simple, guys. It's a hearty breakfast, but we are not done yet. So what we're going to be doing today is also make some tea to go with this bread, and we are going to be making some refreshing hot lemongrass tea, guys. You can't go wrong with this. All right, so I have some lemongrass in my yard. I did cut them, and up close this is what the leaves looks like. I wash the leaves, take 3 strands of leaf and place it into a pot with 3 cups of water. Bring it to a little boil. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat off, cover the pot and let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes. And at this time, we're going to strain our tea into our cup. And you can imagine the smell of lemongrass up in here, guys. It is so refreshing and satisfying. Now you can use any form of sweetener at this time. You can use like honey, or you can use your granulated sugar. And I did serve mine with my egg and mayonnaise sandwiches. So this lemongrass tea does more than just making you feel good from within, guys. So go give it a try. Don't you forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and thank you for watching.